Hello, my name is Dr. Vardhan and I am working in Titan Company Limited. I visited TechnoS Jaipur for some of my ramen stones testing. This is a very premier facility for homemade ramen instruments. The kind of instruments they are working here, they are very good. So generally most of the instruments in this field are foreign make, but Dr. Tarun and his team have done a very good job of making these good kind of instruments within India. So I commend him and his team for this good effort. Also, he is working on very socially relevant projects on drones and helping a lot of BTech students do very good kind of internships. They have a very good embedded system kinds of things in their facilities. So he is doing both commercially relevant work and socially relevant work. I actually am very happy to visit this facility.